our local 101. Maybe that's their scapegoat, their secret. I don't know how far this can go, but I'm bound to stay up and find out until then. Maybe not have enough video to do it all, but really? Never really been the biggest fan of Local H, but this song, yeah. They play it tonight. Now, rest in peace, Q101. This is like the shell. This is like the skeleton of Q101. There's nothing left. They have nothing left to show for and go for. It's over. I got my finger on the mic. It's over. Yeah, www.q101.com will still play awesome alternative.